Have you ever wondered how hippos communicate underwater? Welcome to an adventure filled with fascinating facts about these massive mammals. We'll uncover 10 incredible truths that will leave you in awe of the hippopotamus. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the world of hippos. Starting off with fact number 10, did you know hippos can't swim? Surprising, right? Despite their hefty size and aquatic lifestyle, hippos aren't adept swimmers. Instead, they bound along the riverbed, pushing off with their strong, bulky legs. They're like underwater astronauts, bouncing in slow motion across the river floor. And get this, they can hold their breath for an impressive 5 minutes. That's a lot longer than most of us could manage. That's right, these massive creatures are more of bouncers than swimmers. Moving on to fact number 9, hippos are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than most animals. Now you might be thinking, but they look so cute and cuddly. Well, don't let their chubby cheeks fool you. Hippos are extremely territorial, especially if they feel their young ones are threatened. Their powerful jaws can crush a crocodile. Imagine what they could do to a human. So despite their adorable facade, remember, hippos are not to be messed with. Fact number 8, hippos secrete a red oily substance that acts as a sunblock. This is not your typical SPF 50, folks. This is an all-natural built-in sunscreen that our hefty friends produce to protect their sensitive skin from the sun's harsh rays. This unique adaptation helps hippos thrive in their sunny habitats, where shade can be scarce. Imagine, while we're slathering on lotions and creams, hippos are out there, sunbathing worry-free. Who knew hippos were nature's trendsetters in skincare? Now for fact number 7, hippos have a huge mouth that can open up to 150 degrees. Picture this. That's like trying to hug a circular door. This giant mouth isn't just for show, though. In the wild, hippos use this massive maw to display dominance, showing off their sizable teeth to any potential threats. It's their way of saying, "Back off, buddy. I've got a mouthful of chompers, and I'm not afraid to use them." Talk about having a big mouth, eh? Fact number 6, hippos can run up to 20 miles per hour on land. Bet you didn't see that one coming. That's right, these hefty creatures are not just about lounging in the water. Their short legs can power them to speeds that would leave most humans eating dust. The average human runs at about 8 miles per hour, so a hippo could easily outrun us in a sprint. So next time you're thinking of challenging a hippo to a foot race, you might want to reconsider. I bet you didn't think you could lose a race to a hippo. Halfway through with fact number 5, hippos communicate with each other using over 20 different sounds. You'd think they're just all about the grunts, but there's more to their vocal repertoire. They've got a whole orchestra of wheezes, honks, bellows, and even some unique underwater calls. Each sound carries a distinct message, from warning off intruders to calling out for a mate. It's their own hippo language, if you will. So hippos are not just bronze, but also brains. Rolling into fact number 4, a group of hippos is called a bloat. Now that's a word with some weight. These humongous creatures are surprisingly social, gathering in groups that can number up to 30 individuals. They may look solitary in photos, but don't let that fool you. They love a good get-together. Whether it's lounging in the water or grazing on the grass, hippos are all about that bloat life. So, next time you see a group of hippos, remember that's a bloat of hippos. Getting closer to the top with fact number 3, hippos spend most of their day in water to stay cool. Now, don't mistake them for being lazy, it's all about survival. You see, hippos have a unique skin that secretes a natural sunscreen, but it can't withstand the intense African sun all day. Hence, water is their go-to chill spot. It's not just about sunbathing, though. They also eat, sleep, and even give birth in water. Talk about a life aquatic. Hippos sure know how to beat the heat. Almost there with fact number 2, hippos have a lifespan of up to 40 years in the wild. Quite impressive, isn't it? This lifespan is comparable to that of other large mammals, such as elephants and some species of bears. But what sets hippos apart is their ability to survive in diverse environments. From swamps to rivers, they've got it covered. Now that's resilience. They sure know how to make the most of their 4 decades of existence. Hippos definitely know how to live a long and adventurous life. And now, the most interesting fact. Number 1. Hippos' closest living relatives are whales and dolphins. Yes, you heard it right. Despite their land-based lifestyle and chunky bodies, hippos share a common ancestor with these marine mammals. This astonishing link was discovered by scientists through DNA analysis and fossil evidence. So beneath that hefty terrestrial exterior, hippos have a touch of the ocean in their genes. Surprised? We bet you didn't see that coming. And that's the end of our countdown, folks. We've journeyed through 10 fascinating facts about hippos, uncovering their unique and intriguing characteristics. From their surprising speed to their underwater exploits, hippos are truly amazing. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the world of hippos. Always remember, there's more to these large creatures than meets the eye.